let's see. Today we're gonna play Loki. Gonna teach you how to do a quick attack. In the start of, just put on the villagers and just click this green button on town center and try to get the food. Put all the villagers on the food in the first. I as a Loki start with a temple and 2 houses. So the exploration is slow. If you see that pace. Make sure that you put all the villagers on the food in the start. This new AI is really cool because this bot actually creates the defensive houses, and I think it's really good. It's AI mod. It was available on the Steam. So let's see how to beat it actually. This is the hard bot. I think it's Atlantean. Let me create this temple and maybe then we can go ahead and see on their side what is happening. Now keep popping villagers on the food, like we don't need to do anything else. So let's see on their side on the map. So this I'm creating already the houses. 2 houses is necessary so that the population limit is not a problem for you, for at least 20 villagers, 25 villagers. Send it for the scouting, this guy, and then keep popping. I start with like 2-3 on the wood and rest 10 of them on the food in the very start. Let's see, if you go ahead and see that this Atlantean guy has 6 villagers already. That means 6 into 3, 18 villagers, because Atlantean villagers are expensive but they work like 3 times the Atlantis villagers, the Greek ones. Good thing is that this guy is already working on creating the food and villagers. So let's see. The plan is to go ahead and like kick their asses as soon as possible. I'm looking for like 8 to 9 minutes attack. That's quite late in my perspective, but I think this is the fastest I can do with like 5 Herses and like 2-3 throwing axemen. The relics are important. If you find them, just keep them in the temple. It's really cool because they provide the advantages. I also found 1 relic for the food or like the gold trickle. So I had like 2 relics. Keep advancing. Make sure that the villagers are popping out and getting into the food. Advance the age by 530. That's what I aim for if I'm gonna plan for the aggression. And make sure that you make a advanced base. This spy power is really cool because you can see the villagers where they are and you can do the raiding in the start. You see that I'm making armory on the base so that when the food is there I can move to heroic age. But for now I need 5 Herses, 1 troll and at least 2-3 axemen. The earlier I attack, the better it is for a Loki player, because the Herses produce these myth units automatically when the favor is done. I see like 2-3 army people popping out. I think it's good to attack and kill these villagers. This is really advantageous because if you kill the Atlantic villager, which is like 3 in a face of 1, so that's really advantageous. So you see that I'm constantly trying to attack and disturb their economy as much as possible. I'm making a backup army as well, like in case the first raiding party fails, then I can like go ahead and like kill the other people behind. I'm trying to create an outpost and a base here, just on their face, they have the gold mine over there, and this is really cool to just defend it and try to disturb their economy as much as possible. Oh cool, so I got a myth unit. This myth unit production for the Loki is like completely OP. If you are able to do this easily, then the game is not at all difficult for you. So I have like 5 to 6 Herses and axemen and 2 myth units, another 1 popping up again. I have advanced my outpost now. I'm gonna create another one to defend the first outpost so that we have like a synchronous attack on them. I'm keep creating these barracks and the temples. That is easier in this way. Make sure your villagers are working as expected. Its economy is everything in mythology. So what I see right now that they do not have any other military buildings, so it's good time to actually attack. Kill their villagers, raid them. This is the best thing to do, and disturb them. The economy falls and they cannot do anything. Perfect, we got an iron shower. I think this is a good time to take down center. Let them not survive. Like we as a Loki, our objective is to just break their asses like anything. Take down their town center, even make a new town center if it's possible. Make sure that your food is getting properly coming, because I have like right now 0, though these guys are like nothing much to defend with. Yeah, they have like everything broken right now, so I guess this is done for them. I think they're gonna quit as soon as I'm gonna take the barracks. This game is absolutely over for them. So this was a cool game. I think 15 minutes Loki win is like perfect. There are many other strategies as well, but this was the fastest one that I got from my old records. I'll try to share another ones. So the military improvements, I haven't done much of the improvements honestly, but yeah, this was enough. 15 minutes is like nothing in here. Resources, maybe I'll come up with another video where I actually did a lot of strategizing, or the bot played really well. See you guys. Thanks.